Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Discord on Ubuntu 26.04 and 24.04, step by step, super simple and perfect for beginners. Whether you're a gamer, developer, student, or just someone who wants clean voice and text communication, Discord is one of the best tools out there. So let's get right into the installation. Discord is basically your all in one communication hub: voice chat, video calls, text channels, screen sharing, all wrapped in a clean interface. And the good news, you can install it easily on Ubuntu. Before installing anything, we refresh the package index by running the update command. This ensures apt knows the latest versions of all packages. Most Ubuntu systems already have Waget, but if you're on a minimal install or a container setup, this command will install it. Download the latest Discord DEB file. This command pulls the official Discord installer directly from Discord servers. Next, install Discord using this command. A PT will install the Discord package and handle all the needed dependencies. Once this completes, Discord should be ready to go. Next, verify the installation. If you get the path output, it means Discord installed successfully. And that's it. You've successfully installed Discord on Ubuntu 26.04 or 24.04 using the official .deb package. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more Linux videos, tutorials, and open source tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.